What is up, guys? Carter Shirt. So today I'm going to be explaining. So now that the break is literally over, I'm gonna be explaining how my schedule is gonna be for uploading. So I'm not gonna be able to do the usual like really long, like the like really like uploading every day, but I can do my best to try and upload like 3 times a week. Most of the uploads will probably be on the weekends, probably Saturday when I can like upload for a while. Nice. I'm very good right now. I'm trying to focus on talking, but yeah, um, for now that's what's gonna have to be. Once I go back to like the summer or more longer breaks, I'll be able to upload more, but still expect like 3 to 4 videos a week. So yeah. Just keep the subs coming. I'll still do giveaways because I got my Chroma Heat from a fan, so those will still keep coming because I have fans, so it's all good. It's all good. Alright. Nice. Okay. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna play some Arsenal. Oh, I eliminated myself. Nice. Okay, so that's nice to know. What? Bruh, I got a pistol again. Okay. But yeah, guys, please don't judge me. I don't play these types of games, so pretty bad at them, to be honest. Nice. I need a gun that's not a pistol. So far, I'm stuck with a pistol. This map actually sucks. So yeah. Nice. Hey guys, I'm gonna kill. I'm like, dang it! I almost had him too. Okay. All right. I think there's like a lot of hackers in this game because like nice, I game ended myself. I'm in like dead last, which is nice. I gotta stop doing that. Finally. Finally, okay, now we're getting somewhere. Dang. Okay. Alright, still got my assault rifle. No! Ah, please don't tell me I went back. Wakes up with 2. Yup. Okay. Alright. I feel bad. No, I almost had him. Bruh! Don't tell me I get a pistol again. Okay, I'm stuck with this. I'd rather. Nice. Like I said, I'm really bad at this game, but at least I'm not last. That's good. If I'm not last on these games, it's all good. Critical hit, die, 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 die. Okay, thank you. Okay, nice. Alright. Yeah. I need this med kit. No, no, no! Please don't tell me I. Oh, no. Oh, okay. I don't think I'm last though, so it's all good. It's all good. I think the round's about over. How? 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 Alright. Just don't die. Don't die. You'll be good. Don't die. Bruh. Okay. What? I don't think I got last place. I placed 10th. That's why I usually place. So, all good, all good, all good, all good. I'll let them vote. Oh yeah, the scammer will stop texting. Noob scammer, noob scammer. Ooh, I want this one. Regular standard 4 teams. 4 teams always loses, but then again, I think 2 teams is better. I'll go blue this time. Nice. Alright, this is the part where I get up here and snot people. Dang, okay. Oh, nah, he has to be a hacker. He looks like a hacker. Nice. This is not easy. I just need to get rid of the sniper as fast as I can. Because, like, quick scoping? Yeah, no, it's not gonna happen. Okay. Nice. Get rid of this gun. This gun sucks. What the heck is a pizza box gonna do? What is this pizza box? Oh, nice. It shoots flying pizzas at people. This could be convenient. This could be convenient. Hey, we just shoot flying pizzas at you. Nice. I actually kind of like the flying pizza box because, like, it shoots flying pizzas and that's pretty dope. Oh no, I lost the flying pizza. Yeet. Oh, let me get you real good. Thank you. Oof. I didn't even get to see what he had. Oh no, is this a Luger? Lugers. These are like one shot, 1 kills. Oh. Oh wait, God, I think I know that person. My kill, boy. Bruh, the fact that I didn't get him sucks. Someone else got him, and now I just downgraded even more. Amazing. Nice. Okay. This could be worse, to be honest.
Hello? Hello, this is Sponsor's Orthopedic Group calling to remind Jonathan of an appointment scheduled on Monday, January 6th at 2:50.
It's not funny, Mom. None of my fans know my real name and they can make fun of me while they're in game. Okay, this weapon sucks. Nice. Yeah, no, this one is this like. No, all these people got ahead of me. Thank you. Okay, anything but that. Jesus. Don't tell me. Nice. Okay. Alright. No! And I'm back with a sniper. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Oh yes, this is much. I like this. I like this. Nice. That's a lot of damage though. I will admit. And okay. It's nice. Okay. I didn't do this bad this time when I placed. I placed 7th. That was 3 better than last time. Okay. Alright, well, I'm going to do 2 rounds for now. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.